Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to pay a bill with an American Express card. If you've got an Amex in your wallet, you're in for a treat because it's not only convenient but can also help you rack up rewards points on your everyday expenses. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure the bill you're paying accepts American Express. Not every company does, so double-check their website or app. Once you're good to go, the most common way is through online payments. Log into your biller's account, say, for your electricity or streaming service, and look for the Payment Methods section. Select Credit Card, and choose American Express from the options. Enter your card details carefully. That's your card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Don't forget to add your billing address for verification. It helps prevent fraud. If you're paying another credit card bill, many issuers let you do this directly through their portals. For example, if you have a Visa or MasterCard bill, you might be able to pay it using your Amex card online. Pro tip: always review for any transaction fees. Some services charge extra for credit card payments, so it might not always be the cheapest option. Another handy method is using the American Express app. Download it if you haven't already, log in, and go to the Pay Bills or Make a Payment feature. You can link your bills right there and schedule payments effortlessly. This way, you can earn rewards while keeping everything in one place. Now, if you're not tech savvy, don't worry, you can also pay over the phone. Call the biller's customer service, tell them you want to pay with a credit card, and they'll guide you through providing your Amex details. Just be cautious with phone payments to ensure you're speaking to a legitimate representative. One more thing. Always monitor your account for the transaction to post, and keep an eye on your rewards. Paying bills with Amex could mean earning points or cash back. There you have it, folks. That's how you pay a bill with your American Express card. It's simple, secure, and can even add value to your finances. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.